I have a super fun activity for us to do today. It's a little science experiment. So you just need to gather a couple things. So I have some food coloring over here. I have green, red, blue, and yellow. You can have whatever colors you have. If you have those neon colors, that's cool too. Whatever food coloring you have, a bowl or a plate. Bowls are probably a little bit easier to clean up. And then you have milk and some dish soap and a Q-tip. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to pour some milk into your bowl or plate. You don't want to pour a whole lot, just enough to cover the bottom. So maybe like a quarter of a cup. You could even probably do a third of a cup. If you want to have the kids help you, you can pour the milk into the measuring cup and then pour it into the bowl. You don't need a whole lot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to put some of it into the center. And so you want to put it in the center, but you don't want all the colors touching. So leave enough space where they're not touching. If they touch a little bit, no big deal. It's fine. You'll see something really cool when we're trying to do kind of like a chemical reaction. So I'm going to put some in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I did about 6 drops. You can do more, you can do less, up to you, whatever you want to do. So I'm going to do my green next. I'm going to put it next to my red. 3, 4. And then I'm going to do some blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to do my last color, yellow. And I'll show you guys what my bowl kind of looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some of them need a little bit more help. Alright, so I'm going to come grab the camera and show you guys what it should look like in the middle there. So you see how my colors aren't really all touching, but there's a little bit of space in between them. So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your handy dandy Q-tip, and you can predict with the kids. You can say, what do you think is going to happen if I just stick this Q-tip in the middle of our bowl? And you know, you can write down their answers or just ask them. So they might say, oh, maybe all the colors will mix together. So when you dip the Q-tip in, don't mix it, just dip it in. So because you don't want the colors to mix up with each other. So when I dip it in, you can have the kids dip it in too. When I dip it in, nothing really happened, did it? So what you're going to do next is you're going to take your dish soap and you're going to put a little bit of dish soap onto your Q-tip. So this is a little harder to do one-handed. So I'm just going to put a little bit of soap onto my Q-tip. And then you can ask the kids, what do they think is going to happen now that I've put dish soap onto my Q-tip? They might say, oh, maybe it'll make it all bubbly, because when we use dish soap and we mix it with water, it gets bubbly. So then you can have them dip their Q-tip into it, and what happens to all the colors? They all just kind of shoot out, and if you can see, some of the colors are still moving from their spots. And this is so cool. And it's pushing it out to the edge. You can see it moving, and it's so fun. And kids love this kind of stuff. You know, getting to see that reaction right away and how it's still moving. So fun. I love this kind of stuff. I think it's so much fun. You guys can do this over and over again, you know. Doesn't take a whole lot. So it's pretty cool. Getting to see all the colors just kind of shoot out like that. Then you kind of have a cool little design afterwards. So fun. So I hope you guys can enjoy doing that science activity with your kiddos, and let me know how it goes. Let me know if they enjoy it, or tell me their predictions of what they thought was going to happen when you put just the plain Q-tip in, and then what they thought was going to happen when you put the Q-tip with the dish soap in. So yeah, all right, have fun with it, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.